Your wife really isn't into real estate. So now when stuff starts to go wrong on deals or something comes up, like how does she react? Did she give you the kind of like, oh, I knew we shouldn't be doing this? Or
so you can go far faster with your spousal support than you can just trying to convince her. So you have to make them see the big picture. That's I started talking to her. I said, what if we invested so freaking much that one day we're able to fly private? And she was like, you have my attention. Tell me more. That's all she cares about. What's going to move the needle? If there's a problem, figure out the solution before you even bring it to me. Here's the deal, honey. We have an eviction going on, but here's my solution. We're going to kick the person out. We're actually going to raise the rent by $250. If we can't raise it, I've already got my real estate agent sending me comps so we could sell it. Boom. And if you're out there and you want your spousal support, you need to make them see that you are in control. They don't want another job. If you're going to do real estate, be the boss. Handle the situations. You can bring problems, but bring a solution at the same time.